Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Где следующий король? Часть вторая, страница 16-17, English Starlight 3. Where's the next king? Homework part number 2, page number 16-17. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late, and I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 16. We begin our walk. Сивка бурка. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Слушайте, указывайте на картинки и произносите слова. Contest, brave, build, tower, ring, princess. Listen and read the story. This is the Tsar. He lives in a big, beautiful palace, and he's very rich. He's got a beautiful daughter, Anna. But he hasn't got any sons. The Tsar is looking for a husband for Anna and someone to be the next Tsar. He decides to have a contest to find a good, brave man for his daughter. He tells his men to build a very tall tower. He tells Anna to go to the top of the tower and sit at the open window. Then he invites all the young men in the land to the palace. The man who can jump up with his horse and take the princess ring can be your husband, says the Tsar. This clever man can live here as my son and be the next Tsar. Anna waits by the window. Where is my husband? She asks herself. Who is the man that can take off my ring? Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 17. Exercise number 1. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. Посмотрите на картинку и дополните предложение. This is Kirill and his family. The answer. Igor is Kirill's father. Olga is Igor's wife. Galina is Igor's daughter. Irina is Kirill's grandmother. Ivan is Galina's grandfather. Arseny is Kirill's brother. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read the story again and choose the right words. Прочтите историю еще раз и выберите правильные слова. The answer. The Tsar lives in a big palace. He's got a beautiful daughter. He is looking for a brave man. His daughter is in a high tower. The Tsar's daughter is wearing a gold ring. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давайте петь. Up in the tower so tall. Anna is waiting. Can you hear Anna call? Where is my husband? Where's the next king? Who can jump up here and take off my ring? My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer